Hi, everyone. So I just wanted to take a moment and answer some questions regarding which assignments students need to turn in through class tag. So if we go into our daily schedule, I'm going to use this past Tuesday as an example. If you go on that schedule, there is a column that says assignments to complete. Here I will list all of the independent work your student will be completing throughout the day. So, for example, for literacy, we will always have a mini lesson that we will do whole group together. Following our mini lesson, we might have an activity that we might practice together, again, whole group, and then your students will do an activity to practice that skill by themselves. In this case, they had a character activity on slide 5 of our presentation, which can be found under lessons. All of these are presentations that you can click on and you can see our whole group lesson, the topic we talked about, the activity that we were doing by clicking on this button and going to slide 5. That will show you the exact activity that your child completed for their independent work during our literacy block. The same goes for science, social studies, and math. During science, we had our whole group lesson and then they did a states of matter chart by themselves. For math, we have our fluency practice, we have our whole group lesson, and then students will always have a problem set and an exit ticket. And again, if you're curious to see, or maybe your student missed out on Tuesday and you want to know the work that they missed, all you have to do is look on this column and it will tell you all the activities that students completed throughout their day. So if they did miss something, you know, to come right here and, okay, character activity, slide 5, click on this presentation, go to slide 5, and it will tell you the activity. The same for math. The problem set is there with the slide number that it's on, as well as the page number in their math book, and what page the exit ticket is on as well. Now, as far as sending student work in class tag, students will be completing many assignments throughout the day on Monday, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. Not every assignment is going to be turned in. Just like in regular school when we are together, they do not turn in every single assignment that they do. Some of it may stay in their folder, some of it may stay in their math workbook, but there are certain assignments that I do want your student to turn in. So the assignments that I would like you to take a picture of and turn in, every week I will come up with a new unique symbol that's unique to that week. For this week, our trial run, I had students place a heart on the activities that I wanted them to submit to me on class tag. On class tag, I will send out announcements that say, Monday, please turn in the problem set on page 33 and the reading assignment. I will also tell you, where is the assignment? Is it in a workbook or is it in their notebook? If if it's not in their notebook, it will be in either their math book or their reading book. If I do not put it on the announcements, and if your student does not have a heart on that page, that tells you that that assignment is just not being collected. Students still worked on the assignment. It is still important. However, that one assignment is not going to be collected. Reasoning for that is we do a bunch of assignments, and I think it would be very frustrating to have so many assignments that you have to take a picture of daily. So right now, I'm just picking and choosing the assignments that I think are will be most beneficial for me to see, and especially those ones I can't see when they share their answers on Zoom. So again, if it's not on the announcement that I sent out, you don't have to take a picture and send it. Now, your child may forget to write the symbol on their paper, or if you notice that they were on class on Tuesday, but the assignment that they need to take a picture of and turn in is not completed, that is kind of a red flag for you that during their class time, they did not complete that activity. However, Friday is a great day for them to catch up on anything that they did not complete. So once again, if you're ever curious about the activities that we are completing throughout the day, please look on our schedule. I will always send out an announcement that tells you which assignments need to be turned in. Some of the assignments that we do may be through Canvas, and those I will not send announcements out for unless your student hasn't completed it. I will try and out an announcement for that. If this still doesn't make sense or you have any questions, please let me know. But please make sure you're checking class tag. I will make sure I tell you which assignments need to be taken a picture of and where you can locate them if they're in their matchbook or in their student notebook. Again, please reach out if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching.